In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel an order on the Temu app. It's a simple process, and I'll walk you through each step to ensure you can easily follow along. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open the Temu app on your device. Make sure you're connected to the internet to ensure a smooth process. Once the app is open, direct your attention to the bottom right-hand corner of the screen and tap on the section labeled You. This area is typically where you manage your account and personal settings. Within the You section, find and tap on Your Orders. This link will take you to a comprehensive list of your current and past orders, allowing you to select the one you wish to cancel. Take a moment to review these orders carefully, as this is where you'll locate the specific order that you no longer wish to proceed with. With the list of orders in front of you, scroll through to find the relevant order you'd like to cancel. Identifying the correct order is crucial to avoid any unwanted issues, so double check details like the order number or product details if necessary. Once you've found the order, you'll see an option marked Cancel Other Help. Tap on this option to proceed with the cancellation process. This action will lead you to a new menu designed for handling various order issues, including cancellation. Now that you're in the cancellation menu, it's time to specify exactly which items within the order you wish to cancel. You'll see a prompt asking you to select I want to cancel items as. Go ahead and tap this option to indicate your intent to remove items from your order. Select the specific products you want to cancel, ensuring they're accurately checked off on your screen. After you've selected the items to cancel, the next step is to confirm your action. Look for the button that says Cancel Checked Items, or in some cases it might say Submit. Tap this to finalize your cancellation request. This is an important step, as it ensures that your request is formally submitted to Temu. Finally, after you've submitted your cancellation, keep an eye on your Temu inbox messages. You should receive a notification confirming that your cancellation request has been processed. This confirmation will also typically include details about any refunds you might be eligible for due to the cancellation. And there you have it, a quick and straightforward guide to canceling an order on the Temu app. Always remember to review your orders carefully and double check each step to avoid any unintended cancellations. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide was helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out.